up, y'all? It's your girl K Beauty, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a simple design. I'm not really sure. I'm just going to go off the top of my head. But I'm going to use these nail tips that I purchased from Amazon. And I'm going to use these nail tips to cover up. I'm going to use it as a base to cover up my silicone hand so I don't get any product on my hand. So I'm just going to stick some nail tips in there. Use these clear nail tips that I purchased from Amazon. I forgot the brand name. KDS nail glue. I'm just gonna go in with my base coat. Okay, y'all, so I did one hand, I did one finger off camera because I had to take a call. And I'm just gonna finish these other fingers on with y'all on camera so y'all can see what I'm doing. So I just took this color here, 534 from my Polygel kit. And I'm just gonna take a big glob and put it on there just like that. And then I'm gonna take my brush, dip it in the solution, and kind of like dab off all the excess liquid. Tap it on this here just to get away all that excess liquid. And then I'm gonna start patting this product into place, smoothing it out. I'm just patting it, and make sure you don't get too much product on your brush because it's gonna be runny and messy and just doing a lot. So if you want to you could push up the product just to make sure that you have the cuticle area nice and flush, nice and clean. And you basically just keep on patting until you have a smooth nail. So yeah, I really like Polygel. This is my second time actually using Polygel. Well, actually doing a set of nails with Polygel, because we learned how to do Polygel when I went to school for nails. And I'm gonna show y'all what we got, the little kit that we got. But yeah, we learned how to do polygel in school. I just never got into it because I was so stuck on wanting to do acrylic nails. I'm like, yeah, I want to do acrylic nails. I didn't really have a, I wasn't really into polygel. So, but now I really like polygel. I just gave it a chance because it was kind of difficult for me at first, but now I think I think I got the hang of it. It's pretty easy. It's actually better than acrylic, y'all, because with acrylic, you got that smell from monomer, and it's just a mess. But with this polygel, there's no smell whatsoever. And you're pretty much just tapping the product downward. Like, you don't have to worry about getting like the perfect shape like you would with acrylic. It's just basically easier than acrylic. So I do recommend that you ladies purchase a polygel nail kit if you're a nail tech. And you could, it's like the same with, it's the same as doing acrylic nails. You always want to like look to the side to see how the nail is looking from a different angle than actually straight on. Turn the nails to the side and see if there's any lumps. If there's any lumps, just pat down hard on a nail and then just like work it down. Or like pat the sides and like work it down. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with some more on this one because it's kind of like see-through at the top. So I'm gonna just put a little bit more on that one. Okay, boom. Just cleaning up the sides. And if you have like access at the bottom, you can just like drag that up if you want to. Or you could just remove it. Once you're satisfied with the look, make sure you dry it, because you ain't got time to be sitting there keep hitting it, or it's gonna keep running down if you don't dry it. So just go ahead and dry it. Okay, I'm in love with these new foils. This foil art that I got from Amazon. This was only like $6. I'm gonna go in with this. Ooh, should I use this one? Because I haven't used it yet. I really love this one. I already used it. I think I'm gonna use this one. Nah. No. No. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one. So you would just use your nail art foil gel, apply it all over the nail, and cure it for 60 seconds. Hey, look at these nails. They are so cute. Hey, this is Polygel. This is my second time doing Polygel. It came out really cute. I love it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram, nails at K Beauty. Or nails by K Beauty. Alright, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.